Welcome to a video lecture, supergenius99.com. Today I'm going to show you an example of classes and objects. I already have a class created in Visual Studio, and so let's go ahead and get to it. So this class is an employee class, and like most classes, it represents a real-world object. So if you think of things that might be involved in an employee class, it might be something like your first name, right, last name, employee ID, salary, and etc. So here I have that, okay, and then here I have my default constructor, all right. So the default constructor will give the name John Doe, starting employee ID that much, starting salary that much, and not a supervisor, and then this right here will take today's timestamp and mark it as the employee start date. And then over here I overrid the ToString method to output the employee ID. Okay. Inside the program, we're going to create a new employee. So this is an employee object right here. We're going to print it out to the console, right? And you'll see. So when we print this out, you should see the default employee ID. All right, so there's the default employee ID, name John Doe, timestamp. Okay. So now we will call some of those methods that we created. Okay. So here I'm changing the last name to Jackson. First name Samuel. No relation to the actor there. Give an employee ID of that number, and then we will print out. Okay. So we should see the name change to our new name and our new employee ID. All right. And let's see here if we have let's also change the salary. Okay, so come over here, demo, employee dot salary. And let's change it to, how about 100K? Everybody likes a good 100K? I thought so. Okay, so let's now run that, and we should see, just to be more specific, 125. We should see a salary of 125K. And oh yeah, the salary is not in the default employee information. So let's go back to the default employee information and in the ToString and put that in the ToString information. Okay. So now we should see the salary. All right, there's the salary. Okay, so that is a basic class and instantiating the class into an object. Thanks for watching. Hope you got something out of it.